Hey guys, welcome to Technical Square. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 really helpful smartphone tricks which will amaze you. So without further delay, let's get right into it. So the first trick is about YouTube timestamp. Now let's suppose you have opened YouTube and you're watching some video, and in that video at some particular timestamp, at some particular duration, you really liked that part and you want your friend to see that video from that particular duration only. So here is I'm going to tell you how you can do that. So you have to click on the share button and copy link as usual you do to share a YouTube video. Then go to your friend's chat, paste it, and at the end of the link what you have to do is add a question mark, then type T and then add equals. So after you have typed equal, just go back to the app and see the timestamp. So here it says it's 2:35, so it's 2 minutes 35 seconds, so you have to write it as 02M35S, as in where M represents minute and S represents second, so 2 minutes 35 seconds. So simply send it to your friend, and whenever he will click on that particular link, the video will open at that particular duration itself. So here is the result, and you can see that the video continued from 2:35. Isn't it awesome? Trick number 2. So now let's suppose that you want to send a text or a note to someone such that the note destroys itself automatically once the person sees it or after a particular duration, and he or she would not be able to see it again. So yes, it is possible, and to create such note, head over to your browser. In the search box, type in privnote.com. So the website will get loaded with a very minimal look. In the new note section, you have to type in your text, whatever text you want the other person to see. So for now, as an example, I'm typing how is it going. Once you have written the text, scroll down and you'll get 2 options, create note and some more additional options, in which you also get the self-destruction option. That is, how do you want the note to be self-destructed, after reading it or after some particular time. You also get to set a password to the note, and you also get some more additional options. So once you're done with it, click on create note and a link will be created. So yeah, this link has to be sent to the person. So you have to copy the link and send it to the person directly. Once you have sent it, and as the person clicks on it, he will be redirected to the same website and he'll be asked about the read and destroy thing. And yeah, so here you can see that the same note has come, and now if I reload the website, the note disappears. So the note has got destructed and it cannot be read by anyone even if the link is open again. Open YouTube. Show numbers. Five. 6. Paste the copied link. 9. 10. 9. Scroll down. Scroll down. 14. 15. 2. 2. Recents. Home. Wasn't that so cool? Now let me tell you how to enable it. Head over to Play Store and install this app, Voice Access. It's an app by Google. Once installed, open the app and you'll get a pop-up like this. Click on OK. Under this accessibility setting, go to Voice Access and enable it, then OK. Go back and you'll enter the app. Now here, click on the second option, then continue, allow, then again continue, allow, continue, finish. Now to enable this, scroll down and click on tap to start. You can now effortlessly use your smartphone. Again, to disable or pause this feature, scroll down the notification bar and click on tap to pause. If you want to permanently stop this feature, then simply uninstall the app. So, thank you so much for watching the video. Do subscribe our channel and hit that like button if you like the video. See you in the next one.